Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to this class and today we are going to discuss important questions of in bio. ठीक है? तो जिन्होंने इससे पहले वाली दो वीडियोस नहीं देखी है जिसमें मैंने फिज़िक्स और मैथ्स के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए हुए हैं आई वुड like to tell you that you can go and check out those videos first, because not first but you can check out those videos also. They will definitely help you in focusing on the right questions if you haven't prepared anything at all, and those who have prepared, they can still go through these questions and focus more on them, because जैसे मैंने उन दो वीडियोज़ में भी कहा है, 90% ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस में come from these set of questions only. और जो क्वेश्चन बैंक जेके बोस ने अपनी ऑफिशियल साइट पे अपलोड किए हुए हैं हर एक सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड, ये जो मैंने यहाँ पे क्वेश्चनियर बनाया है, आप ये कंपेयर करो. ठीक है? इफ़ देयर इज़ एनी एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन दैट दे हैव पुट देयर, गो लर्न दैट क्वेश्चन एज वेल. ठीक है? एंड किसी ने अगर नहीं भी किया है और वो क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा होंगे, अगर किसी की प्रिपरेशन ज़ीरो है तो, और आपको वो क्वेश्चन बैंक ज़्यादा लगेंगे, तो अगर आप इतने क्वेश्चन पे भी फोकस कर लोगे, दैट विल बी मोर दैन इनफ फॉर यू. आई एम श्योर 80 अबाउ तो आ ही जाएंगे आपको, या फिर 85 अबाउ तो आ ही जाएंगे आपको. ठीक है? पहला जो चैप्टर है लाइफ प्रोसेस, तो उसमें ही थोड़े से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन है, बाकियों में ठीक ठाक ही है, कम ही है. सो लाइफ प्रोसेस में डिफाइन न्यूट्रिशन एंड इट्स मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन वो भी करेंगे आप. डिस्कस digestion of food in human beings. Define photosynthesis and discuss its dark and light phases. Define cellular respiration, both aerobic and anaerobic. Then distinguish between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. What are the functions of blood? Describe the structure and functions of nephron. Reproduction. Advantage of sexual and asexual reproduction. Define any three types of asexual reproduction. Then, what is vegetative propagation and what are its advantages? Define pollination and its types. What is fertilization? Distinguish between internal and external fertilization. Then discuss the female reproductive system in humans. Define the terms hermaphrodites, bigotes, bisexual organisms, gametes, gonads, STO, and AIDS. Then in the second chapter, control and coordination, you will do structure and function of neutron. What is synapses? What are synapses? What is reflex action and reflex arc? Define a hormone. Define the hormone produced by thyroid gland, testes, ovaries, and pituitary gland. Define cerebrum and cerebellum. What are the functions of a human brain? What are endocrine, exocrine, and heterocrine glands with examples? Define voluntary and involuntary actions. What are tropical movements? Define chemotropic, hydrotropic, and phototropic movements. Define auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, and their functions. Okay? Then in genetics, you're gonna do these questions, which are: define the terms genetics, heredity, chromosomes, gene, traits, phenotype, genotype, dominant, recessive, and alleles. Define dihybrid cross with explanations. How are traits expressed? Then define the law of segregation and law of independent assortment. How is the sex determination of humans done? What are acquired and inherited traits? What are speciation? Define vestigial organs, homologous and analogous organs. Then in the next chapter, which is environment, उसमें आप what are biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes? What are decomposers and what are their roles in environment? Define food chain and food web. What is 10% law? Define the biological magnification and how is ozone layer depleted. After that, I think this is the last chapter, natural resources. इसमें आप क्या करेंगे? What are the effects of deforestation? What is sustainable development? What are the effects of dams on environment? Define Chipko movement. And what are three पता ये यहाँ पे रह गया है. I will check it out and write that in the comment section. Okay, I'll write this particular part in the comment section. I'll pin it up. Fine. So if you really find this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon, because if I'm going to get some more videos, you should not miss out on that. ठीक है, तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, do like, share एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एंड डू शेयर इट, क्योंकि कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जिनके पास सोर्सेज नहीं होते हैं, ना ही ट्यूशन सेंटर्स से, ना ही स्कूलिंग से. सो इट इज़ बेटर दीज वीडियोज़ रीच टू दोज स्टूडेंट्स एज वेल, एंड दे टू शुड गेट बेनिफिट from these videos. So better share these videos as much as you can. So that was all for today's video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care and best of luck for your exams.